Namaste everyone. Let's start the class now. So today we are going to discuss about second Visarga Sandhi, that is Ukaradesha Sandhi. Let's see what is the definition of Ukaradesha Sandhi with examples. So Ukaradesha Sandhi is when Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by the letter A or Mridu Vyanjana. So what is the condition? When Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by the letter A or Mridu Vyanjana, then Visarga will be replaced by the letter U, that is left hand side replacement. That is here Madhya Varna will be replaced by the letter U. I repeat the definition. The definition is when Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by the letter A or Mridu Vyanjana, then this Visarga, this Madhya Varna, will be replaced by the letter U. That is the Ukaradesha Sandhi. And apart from this is the actual definition, and within this Sandhi there will be other Sandhi will also be included. That we'll see in examples. See the examples. Lakshmanaha api. What is the expansion of Lakshmanaha? Lakara plus A plus Kakara plus Shakara plus Makara plus A plus Nakara plus Aha. This is the expansion for Lakshmanaha. And what is the expansion for Api? A plus Pakara plus E. Now what our definitions is, when Visarga, this Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by A or Mridu Vyanjana. Here in this example it is preceding by A and followed by the letter A. So it satisfied our conditions. Now what will be the change? The change is, the Adesha is, this Visarga will be replaced by U. So, and all the letters remain as it is, only changes this Visarga will be replaced by the letter U. And left hand side and right hand side, everything will remain as it is. There is no other change apart from this small change. So based on this change, we have got this form. And now here see here A plus U. Here another Sandhi will apply. If you have seen my earlier videos, when we are explaining about Gunasandi, as per Gunasandi, when Ath letter, Ath means A or A. When these letters, any of these letters are followed by Ik letter, then both sides will be replaced by Guna letters. This is the definition. So here in our example Lakshmanaha plus Api, here A is followed by U. So it satisfied that Gunasandi rule. So we are applying that rule here. So A plus U becomes O. And all the other letters, left hand side and right hand side, everything remain as it is. There is no other change. So both these letters left A and U will be replaced by the letter O. Now as per Gunasandi we got this form. And here one more rule applies. As per Purva Rupa Sandhi, when we are explaining about Swara Sandhi, we have explained all these rules. As per Purva Rupa Sandhi, when A or O or Padanta or at the end of the Padam and followed by the letter A, then both sides will be replaced by its Purva Rupam. What is the Purva Rupam here? O at the Padanta. And Api, in Api, A is the first letter. In Lakshmanaha, we got O as the last letter. So it satisfied that Purva Rupa Sandhi rule. So we are applying that rule here. So O plus A becomes O. Both sides will be replaced by the letter O. Now A won't be there and O won't be there. So see this final form. I'll remove everything. this O plus A becomes O, and all the other letters remain as it is in both sides. So finally we got this form. Now another rule won't apply here. Why? Because it won't satisfy any other rule now. So finally we got Lakshmanaha plus Api became Lakshmanopi. So as per Purvarupa Sandhi, we can write this in two forms. With the help of Avagraha, by separating this, we can write this Lakshmanopi like this, and we can club everything like this, Lakshmanopi. So we can write these two forms. I'll repeat this example just to make it more clear. So we have this example Lakshmanaha plus Api. First we have expanded both words Lakshmanaha and Api, and again we have applied this Ukaradesha Sandhi rule. The rule is when Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by A or Mridu Vyanjana, then Visarga will be replaced by the letter U. That rule we have applied here. And now after this we have applied Gunasandi. Why? Because here U plus A is there. A plus U is there. As per Gunasandi rule, when Ath letter is followed by Ik letter, here Ath letter is A and Ith letter is U. So when A and U are there, then both sides will be replaced by Guna letters. So as per Gunasandi, we have applied Gunasandi in this example. So A plus U becomes O, and all the other letters remain as it is in both sides. And after this we have applied Purvarupa Sandhi. Why? Because when O is the Padanta, as per Purvarupa Sandhi, when A or O are at the Padanta and followed by the letter A, then both sides will be replaced by its Purvarupam. So here O is the Padanta of Lakshmanaha, and in the next word it is followed by the letter A. So O plus A becomes O. So finally we got this form. There is no other rule applies now which satisfies any other rule. So we have got finally Lakshmanopi. And Lakshmanopi can be written in two ways. As per Purvarupa Sandhi, with the help of this separation, we can write like this Lakshmano Avagraha P. This form we can write, or we can write Lakshmanopi like this. So that is the first example. We'll see one more example. See this, Ramaha Gachati. What is the expansion for Ramaha? Repa plus A plus Makara plus Aha. And the expansion of Gachati is Gakara plus A plus Chakara plus Chakara plus A plus Takara plus E. Now as per our Ukaradesha Sandhi, when Visarga is preceded by A and followed by Swara, A or Mridu Vyanjana. Here Gakara is the Mridu Vyanjana. So it satisfied our conditions. So when now Adesha will be, Visarga will be replaced by the letter U. Here we have applied that rule, and all the other letters remain as it is in both sides. Only change is Visarga will be replaced by the letter U. That's it. Now here Gunasandi applies because A is following by U. A is followed by U. So as per Gunasandi, when Ath letter is followed by Ik letter, then both sides will be replaced by Guna letters. So we have applied that rule here. So A and U became O, and all the other letters remain as it is. And here no other rule applies now. Now Purvarupa Sandhi won't apply here. So it did not satisfy that condition. So we have stopped with Gunasandi only. So finally with this form we can write Ramo Gachati. So this is the second example. We'll see one last example. See this example. Tataha Abhayam. What is the expansion for Tataha? Takara plus A plus Takara plus Aha. And what is the expansion for Abhayam? A plus Bhakara plus A plus Yakara plus A plus Makara. Now our condition Ukaradesha Sandhi condition is when Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by the letter A or Mriduvanjanam. So it satisfies that condition. Now what will be the replacement? Visarga will be replaced by U. So that change we applied here and all the letters remain as it is. So after applying this Ukaradesha Sandhi rule, now here one more Sandhi is applicable. So as seen in other example, previous example, Gunasandi applies here. Why? Because here A plus U is there. When A plus U is there, then what is our condition of Gunasandi? Our Gunasandi rule is when Ath letter is followed by Ik letter, then both sides will be replaced by Guna letters. So here A plus U will be replaced by the letter O and all the other letters remain as it is on both sides. So we got this form. And here Purvarupa Sandhi applies now. Why? Because O is the Padanta and followed by A. So as per Purvarupa Sandhi, when A or O are at the Padanta and followed by the letter A, then both sides will be replaced by its Purvarupam. So here O plus A are there. So both will be replaced by O. And all the other letters remain as it is. So finally with this form, now no other rule will apply now. Why? Because it did not satisfy any other condition. So finally Tataha plus Abhayam became Tathobhayam. And this Tathobhayam we can write in two forms. One is with the help of Avagraha. This is the Avagraha symbol. Tathobhayam. We can write like this, or without separation we can write like this, Tathobhayam. That's it. So these are the examples. Now we'll see the definition once again and then we'll end the class. So Ukaradesha Sandhi is the second Visarga Sandhi. So Ukaradesha Sandhi means when Visarga is preceded by the letter A and followed by A or Mriduvanjana, then this Visarga will be replaced by the letter U. And after this we can apply other rules like Gunasandi we can apply if the example satisfied our conditions. We can apply Gunasandi and we can also apply that Purvarupa Sandhi if it satisfies. If it did not satisfy, then we can stop with Ukaradesha Sandhi only. So this is about second Visarga Sandhi, which is Ukaradesha Sandhi. In the next class we will discuss about third Visarga Sandhi. Thank you all for joining. I'll close this class now.